So in this analysis and discussion section, so what are the tables which you obtained? So let us suppose I have got the tables in this one. I'll show you. I'll take a new slide here. Now let us suppose results. I have got a table here. So I'll just 4 columns, 3 columns with some 5 rows. Okay. So let us suppose this is my input voltage. Right, and this is my output voltage, and this is my temperature. Okay, so I'll do one thing. So I feel that my output voltage is a function of temperature, okay, and also input voltage. Now let us suppose this is my 12 and this is my 50 and this is my 20 and this is my 25, and these are my temperatures 5, 7 and 7 and 8, and this is my electricity. I have got 6, 5, 7, 8. I am just taking these values as random things. Even the variables are also very random, so don't worry about that. Okay, so now if you see, this is the results which I have obtained. A user or a viewer cannot understand these things very clearly, so it will be better if it is in a graphical form. So what I'll do is nothing but I'll take an Excel sheet. I'll take an Excel sheet. And these are the data which I do have. I'll just copy them. What I'll do is nothing but my system is a little bit slow. Yeah, I think I have got it right. Yeah. So here I am copying these things. Okay. So here, if you see, this is my input voltage, this is my temperature, and this is my output voltage. So I want to draw a graph between output voltage and input voltage. I'll just select these things, C and D, and I'll insert a pattern now. So here in the charts, I will include a pattern. Yeah. And here in the chart title, I'll mention here, this is output versus input voltage of circuits, what are the circuit which I have developed. Okay, and here x-axis and y-axis, you can add these things here. You can add, see, you can add axis titles, you can add data labels, you can add legend, you can add whatever the things. So far I'm using axis titles now. So my x-axis will be inputs, my y-axis will be output voltage. Okay, like this you can add. And now I'll copy this entire figure, Control C, and I'm placing it here in the analysis section. In the analysis section, what I'll do is, in the interpretation of the results, what I'll do is nothing but I'll just paste a figure here. Okay, this is my analysis. This gives me a good analysis of the whole thing. Okay, now you can doubt why I'm getting this designer slides. I'm using Microsoft Office 365, so I'll be getting a recommendation defaultly of how best this slide will be. If you upgrade your Microsoft Office, then you will be getting the same. But otherwise, don't worry. You can go with these things here. You can bring this picture here, and you can keep it here. Okay, and write some 1 or 2 comments that output voltage is increasing with respect to input voltage, like that. What are the patterns which you observe? It's about you doing the analysis of your readings, of your outputs. Okay, and in the next slide, this is the most important one. What are the skills which you have obtained? Okay, now in this particular one of my students said that he has acquired choosing the components, and he has said that he has understood how to solder the things. He feels that at the BTech first semester level, it is a skill for him, soldering the components and preparing the PCB, printed circuit board. This is the skill which he has developed. And any reflections on him? Yes, he said that he had few reflections. One thing is he understood how to analysis. Improvement in analysis of components. Right. He said that he is now good at analyzing the circuit and the operation of each of these components. So like that, if you do have anything, and he has improvement in communicating with seniors, because he has taken help from seniors of how to develop a PCB. Okay, so based upon that, any improvement, he suggested that he wanted suggestions for improvement. Portable mini charger, portable mobile charger. Okay. Okay, I can go with portable charger for batteries of higher capacity. Any rechargeable batteries you can have 6 volts, 12 volts lead acid batteries also. So he said that he can develop a portable charger. This was his idea. So like this, you can use some sort of suggestions. Okay. Now, the conclusion, final conclusion, what you have concluded after doing this project. This is what you are supposed to write here. That here in this particular project, that I have developed this one. I have developed this solar charger. Okay. And finally, I think there must be recommendations, right? Acknowledgements must be there. Yeah, acknowledgements. You should thank you. Thanks to all the seniors, thanks to all the people who have helped you, the distinguished personalities or speakers or your seniors or whoever it might be. Okay, that you should. Okay. Here, I'll just keep it like this. Now see here. Now, this is your PPT which you have developed. See, it just hardly takes you 15 minutes or 20 minutes of time if you do have this one. And you can add some sort of designs. See, don't forget to add this in the insert button. You need to add the header and footer, date and time. Okay, if you want it, you can change the date on which date you are going to present it. Include the slide number, and in the footer you mention it. It is a practicum presentation. And if you want, don't want to show on the title slide, it will be good. See, every slide I do have this practicum presentation. Every slide. And if you don't want a white color, you can go in the design section. You can have different designs which are already available here. See how good they are. Very simple. If you want to have some other design, you can use these designs. And if you do have Microsoft Office 365, you will be getting, once you select these design, you will be getting adjustment of these things also. This is possible only with higher versions of Microsoft Office. But otherwise, you can use them. Or otherwise, you can use any template which is available on the internet. So I humbly request you, I humbly suggest you, do not copy anything from the internet. Okay. You do on your own. If there are any mistakes in the English, we will help you out. This is all for you to improve your communication skills and presentation skills. Do not fool yourself or any of this. That's the only way how to improve. You should work on your own. Okay. No matter how bad they are, we are here to correct your work. Okay. So with this, I urge you again to prepare a simple PPT take less time. Don't unnecessarily get stressed in preparing these presentations. Only concentrate on the work which you have done. Okay. So prepare the PPT. I'm here uploading all the contents for you. The sample PPT also I'm posting now. I'll post this video on my YouTube channel. Just go through the YouTube videos, check the simple sample PPT and prepare a PPT on your own. Okay. And after preparing the PPT, work on that for 10 or 15 minutes. Practice it. Ensure that you take only 7 minutes of time in presenting the things and 3 minutes will be the quiz. Okay. That's it from my side. Thank you once again, and I'll be meeting you on Friday when you deliver the presentations. Have a good day.